All right, good morning, everyone. So I'm going to do today's strategy session live. Today ought to be the last day. I'm in the office at 9. I usually get in by 8, which is still actually a little bit late to do a strategy session, but yeah, and to be participating in the market. So let's see. Yesterday we've got a little bit of continuation here on core from yesterday. I'm going to leave that up and see what kind of action we get on core. I'll put a level on it here in a minute. For large cap, let's see. My scanner is up and running this morning. So, oh hey, it's CROX. I'm wearing a pair of CROX right now. UPS. There's another one on the Gap scanner, and there's GameStop. I'm not interested in GameStop because it's such a crowded trade. Let's see. I mean, maybe I'll put it on watch. It's such a popular and crowded trade. Let's go to momentum, small caps, and there's not really a lot going on with small caps here. Oh, it's a bank. I can't stand the way banks trade. Let's see. ALDX. Small cap biotech. There's a lot of volatility in small cap biotech. All right, so let's go over here to large cap movers, and we'll check out core first. What's it doing? It says it's up. It says it's up 2.5 cents, 2.5% pre-market. Interesting. Well, all right. So this thing IPO'd. I don't know if it was a direct offering or an IPO, but it's classic. Now this is actually a pretty decent open. Let me compare this to what is that one? Coinbase. Okay. Yeah. So Coinbase looks like it's trying to bottom there. Open up a little bit higher. I think I've got Coinbase under momentum. Let me see. Yeah, I've got coin under momentum. All right. So you'll often see in an IPO, you'll often see quite a bit of volatility in the first month. Down, up. I wouldn't be surprised if it can make it back above 328.28. That's Coinbase right here, which is the close of the first day. Then it ought to start making its way back up a little bit higher. It's a little bit too early for Coinbase for me right now. So let's see. Core here. Core went on to make a new lower low, and it's back into its opening day range here. It's not above yesterday's high. The pre-market right now isn't above yesterday's high. I think I'm going to leave core alone for today. Let's go over to CROX here. Okay. That's a nice looking chart. Look at that. Bottom right or bottom left to top right. That's good movement. Let's put some levels on it. So I'd really rather put levels on it at the open, but this ought to be close enough. We've got 92.40 and 91.03 and 89.81. So let me write those down real quick. 27 April 2021. I'm an old man. Really, I'm 47, about to turn 48, And my short-term memory just isn't at all what it used to be when I was a kid. I used to remember everything. So let's see, 92, 92.40. Now I have to write everything down. 91.03. And as far back as 89.81. Yes, shoes apparently were really popular items in this recent stimulus check. Apparently shoes got bought up big time. Okay, UPS, 9%. Okay, so let's take it from its current price. I might redo these levels in yesterday's close. 188.07. Yes, 188.07. 186 even, and 184.15. So I am pressed for a little bit of time here. Usually I would go back and look into the daily here to see if there's any previous. This is blue skies. You can see here. I'll open it up a little up bigger. You can see these are new all-time highs as far as I can tell on UPS. Let's go back on the weekly and see. Now that's new all-time highs. All right, let me take that off of weekly and put it back on daily. Very bullish, very nice. And then GameStop. GameStop. You can see here I had some levels on GameStop from before. Let's see if it's still in that range. 161 and 183. I'm going to get rid of those lines, put some new ones on. Check out the. Okay. So these are the levels I had on it from before. I kind of like those levels. If it gets above 197.36, it's a big range. I just don't like GameStop. Let's see. Those are big ranges. In the I don't know what the true daily average true range is. Let's see. Let's take this fib off and we'll put a new fib on. Put yesterday's close. It's a little bit tighter. Go 177.62. 177.62 and 175.94. So so you can see there's another Fibonacci actually level. There's 179.50 there on GameStop that I'm not writing down. Make it a little bit bigger so it's a little bit easier to see. So there's this 179.50 that I'm not writing down. I'm going to use 177.62 and 175.94. And the reason is this stock is really rather volatile. I could use 179.50, but if I'm going to get in this stock, I'm going to get in at what I think is a safer entry. Let me get rid of that. Let's put some levels on these things. We'll start with GameStop. So, what did I say? Where are my levels? 177.62. And 175.94. Okay, UPS. All right. So on UPS, the first level is 188.07. The second level is 186 even. And my third level is 184.15. Alarm. Alarm. And alarm. Okay, now CROX. My first level is 92.40. Second level is 91.03. My third level is 89.81. Alarm. 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 All right. Now, let's go back over to momentum real quick. Take a look what's going on. Got something new popping up here. DMTK. Momentum. DMTK. Denver Tech Incorporated. Interesting. Let's check the news on it. DermTech shares rise after launching new melanoma detection kit. Very nice. That's April 23rd. So it's kind of old news. That was on Friday. Strange. Right? Friday was the 23rd, right? Yeah, that was Friday. So it traded yesterday. Huh. It's really strange. It reported its new right here on this day. Let's go to the daily. On the 23rd, right here, it reported on this day, it reported that new melanoma detection kit. And then it traded yesterday. Now it's trading today, up high here. Interesting. I wonder why there's a lag. Usually on the days of announcements like that, it would trade higher on that day. So let's see. Let's go back here. This thing was $12, $10, $12 in December of 2020, just a few months ago. Looks like there's a gap right here. This gap right here filled on the way down. So it's repaired that part of its chart. Well, I'll put some levels on it in case it decides to pull back. I'll have a guide as to what price action is doing. 602 or yesterday's close. Let's go back. Let's go back here. Go to the close of this day right here. All right. So I'll be looking for momentum setup on that one. It's a high price stock for a small cap. I wonder if they'll do a secondary offering. That'll be news to watch out for. And then ALDX. This is a momentum setup. Let's see what the news is. From the 27th of April, Aldera Therapeutics achieves statistical significance for primary endpoint and all secondary endpoints in phase 3 Invigorate clinical trial of reprozalap in allergic conjunctivitis. What's conjunctivitis? I don't know what it is. I've heard it a million times. Conjunctivitis, inflammation of the transparent covering of the eye because of bacterial infection or allergic reaction. Okay. All right. Well, so, life, limb, or eyesight. That's one of the three things to help protect. So we've got DMTK here, which is helping thwart cancer, and we've got ALDX, which is helping protect eyesight. All right. These are things that people like to throw money at. These are good things. So both are momentum setups. I will be following the momentum rules for these setups and trading them accordingly if I trade them. I haven't been trading momentum much lately. It's been more the gaps on large caps. We'll see. Okay, so that, as of right now, those are my that's my morning strategy. I need to look over them a little bit more carefully here for, let's see, CROX is all-time highs. Is that right? Yeah, CROX is at all-time highs. Blue sky. Valuations can go higher. So UPS, all-time highs. Yep. And GameStop, GameStop. Maybe I'll trade it, maybe I won't. All right. And then momentum plays. We've got eyesight and cancer. Not bad. Not bad. All right. Yeah, that's my morning strategy, everybody. Good luck out there today. Keep your risks tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.